guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here and supporting my channel. And if you do like bags in general, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Okay, on my recent video on my birthday unboxing, I unboxed my new Graceful PM, and I actually told you that I'm going to spray this with the Carbon Pro to protect the vachetta. And in this video, I am going to show you how I do it and how it turned out. And maybe one day I'll do another wear and tear and how it goes with the vachetta. So this is what I do, protecting my Graceful PM. So this is what I use. I use the Collonil Carbon Pro. So we shake it first. And I'm gonna start with the leather tag. So just spray it evenly. I know I should have just wear the gloves, but I couldn't find mine, so I just may as well spray it right away. This is how it turned out, a little bit darker, but don't worry about it. And make sure you have like 30 centimeters away from the sprayer. So this is what the tag looked like after minutes of spraying, and a bit shiny and darker than the strap, but that's okay. Now we move on to spraying the strap. Keep spraying with 30 centimeter in distance, and that is how it looks like. Don't worry about the marks. Now I'm doing the back side of the strap. I'm just covering up with the tissue paper so that I don't get it all over the canvas. So just spray it evenly and air it out a bit. Now just do the sides. I'm just covering up the hardware as much as I can. I know it will spray all over, but I'm okay. I'm just gonna wipe it up after that. Just keep wiping the excess spray that you got on your canvas and on your hardware. It will look like this, a little bit darker. And repeat the same thing again on the other side of the handle. Now I'm going to spray the front tab with the writing Louis Vuitton Paris, and also the inside tab where you got the magnet. And again, I just wipe the excess spray that I got around the canvas just to make sure it's nice and even. So this is just after I sprayed on. You can see it's still wet, but it's okay. This is how it looks. Okay, I'm sorry, the setting is a little bit different, a little bit darker now because it's a bit the sun's gone, it's nighttime. But this is my Graceful PM after I spray it with the Carbon Pro. So this is what I use. I use the Collonil Carbon Pro, and there's instruction there. You should spray it evenly, shake first, and then make sure you have 30 centimeter more or less between the sprayer and your bag. So this is how it looked like. probably about 2 hours. So I waited 2 hours after I spray it, and it looks good. I know the lighting is not so great because it's dark now, but it looks good. It looks okay. No stain everywhere. I think I spilled some of the sprayer around here, but I wipe it. And there's a lady who coated the whole thing, the whole canvas bag, but I don't do that. I just do the vachetta. And this is what the tag looks like. And I'm going to test the tag, and I'm gonna splash it with water and see how it goes. Okay, so I just get a little bit of water and I spray it, just dab a bit of water. As you can see, none of the water actually stained the leather. You can just wipe it off completely. Okay, let me do more testing and give more water, and still I don't see any stain. Look at that. It's just easily wiped off, and I don't see any mark at all. And this is the ending result after 2 hours of spraying. After I tried on spraying splashing water, nothing stained the bag at all, and the color of the vachetta does not darken at all. So I am pretty happy with the result. Just look at this. Everything looks brand new, the same feeling. And I know if I got caught in the rain or any water, my bag will be safer. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you in any way. If you're a bit scared in doing this, then please just don't do it. This is my personal preference. I want to try to protect my vachetta as long as possible. So I'm sure this is not for everybody. Even the CA from LV told us not to do anything with the vachetta, but I take my risk, and this is what happened to mine. And the choice is yours. If you want to protect, or if you want to let it if you want to let it patina naturally, it's okay. So the choice is yours. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you next time. Bye.